Ford Motor Company, a century of innovation and automotive leadership. Ford Motor Company, founded by Henry Ford in 1903, is an American automotive icon with a storied history. It played a pivotal role in shaping the automobile industry and revolutionizing mass production techniques. This comprehensive video explores the rich history, corporate structure, key brands, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, global impact, and future prospects of Ford Motor Company. Founding and early innovations. Henry Ford's vision of making automobiles affordable for the masses led to the founding of Ford Motor Company. The introduction of the Model T in 1908 marked a turning point in automotive history, making cars accessible to ordinary Americans. Mass production revolution. Ford's pioneering use of assembly line production techniques transformed manufacturing processes, drastically reducing production costs and enabling mass production on an unprecedented scale. Ford's success with the Model T allowed the company to expand globally, setting up operations in Europe, Asia, and Latin America, further cementing its status as an international automotive leader. Corporate structure and key brands. Ford Motor Company operates with a relatively straightforward corporate structure, with Ford Motor Company as the parent overseeing several subsidiaries and brands. Ford's brand portfolio includes Ford, Lincoln, and the upcoming electric vehicle-focused brand, Ford Blue, each catering to distinct market segments and demographics. Technological advancements. Automotive innovations. Ford has a history of pioneering automotive innovations, including the introduction of safety features like seat belts and airbags, and advancements in materials and manufacturing processes. Electric vehicle (EV) leadership. The company is aggressively pursuing electric mobility, with the Mustang Mach-E and the forthcoming electric Ford F-150 Lightning as notable examples of its EV lineup. Connectivity and autonomous driving. Ford is investing in connectivity technologies and autonomous driving, aiming to offer advanced driver assistance systems and self-driving vehicles in the future. Sustainability initiatives. Environmental commitment. Ford is committed to reducing its environmental footprint by investing in vehicle electrification, improving fuel efficiency, and implementing sustainable manufacturing practices. Electric vehicle investment. The company is investing heavily in electric vehicle development, with plans to allocate significant resources to expand its electric vehicle portfolio in the coming years. Social responsibility. Ford actively engages in social responsibility initiatives, including community engagement, education programs, and support for veterans and active-duty military personnel. Ford Motor Company operates in numerous countries and regions worldwide, with manufacturing plants, research and development centers, and a vast network of dealerships. The company has a substantial economic impact, providing employment opportunities, supporting local economies, and contributing to technological advancement in regions where it operates. Social responsibility. Ford places a strong emphasis on social responsibility, actively participating in disaster relief efforts, promoting diversity and inclusion, and fostering community engagement. Electric and autonomous vehicles. Ford is positioning itself as a leader in electric vehicle production, with plans to introduce a variety of electric models across its brands while advancing autonomous driving technology. Mobility solutions. The company is exploring mobility as a service (MaaS) concepts and investing in ride-sharing and urban mobility solutions to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Sustainability and corporate responsibility. Ford continues to prioritize sustainability and corporate responsibility, seeking to be a leader in responsible and ethical business practices. In conclusion, Ford Motor Company's legacy as an automotive pioneer is marked by its century-long history, commitment to innovation, and dedication to affordability and accessibility. Ford's ongoing efforts to lead the transition to electric mobility and autonomous driving demonstrate its determination to shape the future of transportation. With a global presence and a strong focus on responsible business practices, Ford Motor Company remains a key player in the automotive industry, poised for continued growth and innovation in the years to come.